Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to add an image to this Megaphone template. I've been having requests on how to do it, so here we go. I have my background image and as well as the template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this background image and I'm going to select this node that's in the corner, which is going to keep everything proportionate. And I can click and drag it until it gets to about the same size as the template or bigger. You can also select this node here in the middle and click and drag it. That distorts it. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's see if it works for this one. All right, so now this is in the front. The background is in the front and you can't see the template that's in the back. So I'm going to right click, send to the back. And now you see we have our template within. And we might need to make this a little bit wider. Okay. And you can kind of position it how you want to. All right. So now we have both of those. And we're going to click and drag both to highlight the background as well as the template. And we can go to our modify panel, which is right here on the right side. It says open the modify panel. And if you hover over all of these, it basically tells you what that function is for. So, but we're here, right here at the modify panel, and we're going to make sure that this is in the background. Click and drag both and hit crop. Now we cropped it into this template shape. Okay, and you can design it how you want to. I have my model here, which is my daughter. She's in cheer, and I just place her here. And let's see, you can add text to, which the text tool is on the left-hand side, or it's on the right side, whichever is easiest for you. Let's see. Gonna type that in, add some color, take away the line color. Let's change the font. Okay. And let's change the color of this. So you can change the color on this side or up here. But I use this side sometimes, so I'm going to change it to this royal blue color. And you see it's hardly, you can see it. You can either put it here or whatever, but I'm going to add an offset to it just to make it pop some. So the offset panel is right here on your right hand side. Hit offset, and that's good. Hit apply. I'm going to change that to a white color. Take away the line color. And if you need more help with how to do text or line colors, just let me know in the comments. And what I'm doing is I'm using my arrow keys to just add a little dimension to this. So now I'm going to click and drag, hit group, put cobras right here. Or let's see if we rotate it, how would that look? So go to object, rotate, and rotate 90 degrees. Let's make this bigger. And you can add whatever design you want to on top at this point. And you can check out my other video on how to print and cut it out. And that's basically it with designing this Megaphone template. So if you have any questions, just put it in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. All right, thanks. Bye.